2020. It has been one hell of a year. I don't know about you guys, but for me, this year has kind of sucked. I've had non-stop issues with my Skyline GTR. My YouTube videos were extremely inconsistent and I just wasn't happy with the content that I was creating. Aside from that, I don't know if you guys heard or not, but there was a worldwide pandemic going on as well. It kind of sucked. So if you guys watched my last video, you guys know that recently we blew the GTR's turbo. Now, originally today I wanted to go ahead and finish rebuilding the turbo and put it all back together, but unfortunately I'm waiting for one little part. You guys will hear all about that in the next video, but we can't work on cars today because the car is just pretty much brick there. Today I wanted to do something a little bit different. I actually did like the same exact thing exactly like 1 year ago, but I completely fell off track. Once everybody got like quarantined, I wasn't able to leave the house and it completely just demotivated me, and I feel like it demotivated a lot of people in different ways, but it kind of sucked. But this year, you know, we've been dealing with this thing for almost a year now. We've learned to adapt, and I feel like now I want to look forward to 2020, and I feel like it can be a completely different year. I feel like it can be a better year. Today, I want to share some goals that I have for 2021 with you guys, and I want you guys to do me a favor. If this year has sucked for you guys too, or if you just weren't happy with this year and you guys want to improve for next year, I want you guys to do the same thing that I'm doing here. I want you guys to get motivated with me, and I feel like this coming year, it could be probably one of the best years ever. I mean, anything could be better than 2020. Literally anything could be better than 2020. Today I ran out to the store, and today, once again, we are going to be making a vision board. This time though, this is the vision board 2.0. This one is going to be way better than last year's. We're gonna throw some pictures on here and we're gonna slap it right in the middle of the garage, just so that every single time I work on anything in here, I have no choice but to look at it. Last year, we put this on the sidewall and I kind of didn't really pay much attention to it. This year, I wanna put this somewhere where I just have no choice. I have to look at it every single day, and you guys see it in the back of the videos. And real quick, I just want to make it clear that I know I didn't complete a lot of the visions that I set out for myself last year, and I know that, I understand that, and it sucks that I didn't complete those things that I wanted to complete, but I want to share my failures with you guys. Sometimes people fail. Sometimes things don't always go the way you want them to, and shit happens. That's the best way to put it. But once again, I want to share my goals with you guys. Let's go ahead and write down some goals. Amanda has way better handwriting than I do, so she's just gonna go ahead and write Vision Board 2021. It is never too late to go ahead and jump on your dreams and just go 100% into it, and that's exactly what I'm doing this year. I hope you guys stick around for the whole journey because it is going to be one crazy year. I can promise you guys that. So, first and foremost, probably the most important one, or one of the most important ones to me, this baby right over here. I don't know if you guys can see through the glare or not, but you guys see this right here? This right here is the 2022 Subaru BRZ. This is one of the things that we are going to accomplish this year. I will certainly be getting the 2022 Subaru BRZ. Now, I haven't fully decided if I'm going to get rid of the GTR or not. I might. To be honest, I'm really not sure yet. What do you guys think I should do? Should I get rid of this car? Like, let me know down in the comments. Like, what do I do with this car? I'm so tired of it. But we will be adding a Subaru BRZ to the family. I might just do blue just to make it like a Taylor 2.0 kind of situation. For those of you who are new to the channel, I used to have a Subaru BRZ, a 2017 Gen 1 of course, and it was my baby. I sold it and I miss it every single day. So of course we are going to be adding the all new Subaru BRZ to the channel. I'm actually super excited for this. Even though we're going to have to wait like another half a year, this will happen this year, boys. Last year we kind of just listed down everything that we were going to get done, and we kind of just made it a list form. This year I want to add some pictures to the vision board. Next up on the list is something that I've been wanting to do for the longest time now. This is a 2-car garage. It's nice. It's nice for a home garage. It's not nice for a shop. We're always super tight in here. This garage has done us well and we made it look all nice, but it is time to upgrade. This year, one of the things I want to do is to get a warehouse. I already have like 2 of my buddies on board with this idea. We might just all get a warehouse and like split it or something like that. We're not sure yet. This is going to be the year that we officially get a shop slash warehouse. So this definitely has to make it onto the vision board. It's gonna be really hard to find like a black shop, but I think black shops look the coolest. We'll see what we get, but I definitely want a shop. Once we get a shop, we'll be able to work on multiple projects at a time. That way we won't just have to rely on like one space, and we could just keep more cars around. And this is going to be the year that I give it my 100%, and we are going to get this, boys. Coming down to numero trace. Now, I have like 3 of these. I haven't haven't cut these out yet. I'm gonna like cut them around. It's gonna look all pretty. But number 3 is to be more consistent with the uploads. This past year, my uploads have been super sporadic. I've been trying super hard to post more. I've been trying super hard to be consistent and just up the quality of the videos. And you guys will definitely see that in the upcoming months. I want to do more fun stuff for like Instagram and TikTok and all that good stuff. This year, my goal is to step up the quality and the quantity of the videos. So far, what I've been trying to do is post every 3 days. Now, I don't know if that's a schedule I should go or if I should set a specific day to upload or a specific 2 days to upload a week. What do you guys think works better? Should I just keep doing the every 3 days upload, or should I do like specifically on Sunday and Thursday, or what days work for you guys? Let me know down in the comments. I do want to post multiple videos a week. I've been having a lot of fun doing it. It's been a lot of work, but I'm really liking the consistency we've been going on so far. This year, a major thing I want to improve on is the consistency. It is going to be a lot of work, but I'm really excited for it. Putting the camera over here is always really weird because like you can't really see the car, but like you guys see the carbon fiber. I hope that looks good enough for a background. 2020 was the year of social distancing. The big thing was that you couldn't go see your friends. You couldn't see anybody. You had to be alone. You had to separate. I wanted to do more collabs in the year of 2020, and I don't think the entire year I've done a single collab. I wanted to travel. I wanted to collab. This year, I'm gonna put a lot of effort into collabing with other people. Like I said, 2020 was a really rough year, and I know I'm not alone here. Like the whole world really suffered. A lot of people lost loved ones, and it was just a bad time. I feel like there was so much hate going around, and there just needed to be more love and positivity, and that's what I'm going to try for 2021. As dumb as it may sound, I believe in spreading love and positivity, and that's what I want to do for all of 2021. It's pretty much been my motto like for like years now, but I think that in 2021 I definitely want to continue it. I want to keep looking at the brighter side of things. This car breaking down on me like every freaking time I drive it definitely kind of brought my like positivity level down, but I just think that seeing love and positivity every single day is just going to keep me going in the right direction. I think there's a lot of hate out there, and there doesn't really need to be that much hate. I might just get roasted for this in the comments, but I don't care. I'm gonna stick to my guns, boys. Spread love, spread positivity, check on your friends, check on your homies, just check on everybody, make sure everybody is good. You honestly just don't know what some people are going through. And finally, I have the last one in my hands. I have been nervous to do this for the longest time. I don't know why. Every time we get super close to doing this, I get a little bit of anxiety in me, and I just don't want to do it. I back up. I give myself reasons not to do it. Seeing so many of my friends just do it and they're killing it, it just makes me want to do it, but for some reason I've always just been too scared to pull the trigger. But this year I think I'm finally gonna do it, boys. This year I'm finally going to release some merch. Like I said, it's been a thought for like the longest time now, but I've always been too nervous. I always thought, hey, like maybe my stuff's just not gonna be good enough, maybe I shouldn't even try it. But this year I'm just gonna go ahead and try it. I've already kind of started this like behind the scenes. This year I think I'm just gonna go ahead and full send it and come out with some merch, boys. This actually came out way better than it was in my head, because like what I was gonna do is just like put the pictures like all going down. It actually looks really artsy, like having pictures on top of each other. If you guys are gonna do this, try to find yourselves an Amanda to do this for you, because she'll make it look all artsy and stuff. There is some power into knowing what you want, putting it out into the universe, and just giving it your 110%. That's exactly my intentions with this vision board, and I think that you guys should do it too. I want to encourage you guys to just set some goals for yourself for this year and just work towards it. I know this video was a lot different than what we normally do. Today, like I said, with the whole turbo situation, we really couldn't do anything, and I was gonna make this board anyway. You guys are the homies, and I want to share with you guys my goals for this year, so I figured let me go ahead and, damn, this FedEx truck is loud. Anyways, I wanted to share my goals with you guys, and I wanted to kind of encourage you guys to try to make some goals of your own and try to accomplish them, and just let's make this year a good year, boys. With that being said, it is freezing cold. My hands are literally frozen. I appreciate the love and support, and I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching, and just thank you guys so much. I hope you guys are ready for what's to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.